How to turn on two-step verification on Royal Bank of Canada. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can turn on two-step verification on Royal Bank of Canada. First thing to do is to open your web browser and type out royalbankofcanada.com, and just type that out to be directed to the personal banking page. On this page, next thing to do is to sign in by moving over to the right side of the screen where you see the sign in icon. Click on it, and once you click on it, to be redirected to the sign in page. On this page, you will be asked to sign in using either your client card or your username, and then you can decide to save it if you want, and then you click on next. And once you click on next, you'll be able to log in and sign in into your page. So once you're signed in, click on the profile and account settings on the top of the account summary page. Okay, so once you click on that, on the profile and account settings page, click security. So once you click security, you'll be directed to the securities page. On the securities page, scroll down until you see enhanced security, and under the enhanced security tab, you will see some options. Select two-step verification. All right, and then once you select two-step verification, you'll also be directed to that page where you see a list of instructions on how you can enable these two-step verifications. Follow the instruction, and then the two-step verification will be turned on automatically on your account. It is that simple. So just follow the processes I have listed out in this video, and you will be able to turn on your two-step verification. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.